All right, this video is about how to graph a system of inequalities. So you can see from the example above here. First, I got to make sure a couple things, and I did not lock that. Perfect, let's lock that. You can see from these two equations right here that I have two inequalities that I need to graph. So the first one, y is less than or equal to 1/5 x minus 2. So if we graph that one, take my line here, and I will graph that. Starts at -2, and my slope is going up 1 over 5, up 1 over 5. Just replace that just a little bit. There we go. Now, if I were to shade this one, I would shade that with, I'll shade that in some light blue, and this one would be less than, so everything would be shaded below this line right here. Okay, so I think that should make sense so far. So we took care of the first one. Now the second one. Y is greater than or equal to -2x plus 3. So, trying to do something here. Hold up here. I got to move this one to the side so I can get to the key I need to get to. I'll be right back with you. And we're coming back to it. Okay. So, to graph this next one. So we're going to start at +3, which is right here. And then it goes down 2 over 1 each time. So there's that graph. Now, this one is y is greater than. So we need to shade that one in an upward direction. So we will find a nice little red shading area here. We will take and shade this one, everything up for this one. So no matter where this one is, we shade up. Now, as we shade up, you might notice there's an area right in here where both the red and the blue shade together. This is our solution set. I'm going to try and shade this one in the best I can here. Kind of fun. So I'm shading that in nice and purple so you can really see this well. So where the two shade together, you shade them together. So I can do this again, and I got to move this over to the side. Give me a moment here. I'm going to just lock this one in place. And now I'm going to get rid of this other shading on here. There we go. So where the blue shaded below and the red shaded above, where the two of them shaded together, the red above and the blue below, that is our solution set to this system of inequalities. So you first graph your first one, which I did with the blue. You then graph your second one, which I did with the red. You find out where they shade together. I would suggest you lightly shade this, until you see where they truly cross, and then you heavily shade the solution set where they both cross together. And that is how you solve a system of inequalities. Thank you and good luck.